Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean and this is our nightly video report for Monday, August 8th, 2016. I really have absolutely nothing to add from what I went through over the weekend. The S&P really closed even. The next week we already have bearish divergences on the daily chart here. If they continue higher, most likely they're going to make that trip to 2200. It being that we have 5 waves up, it's not needed. And what I mean by that is, as you can see, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from that, it can pull back at any time, and the target areas would be the 2087 all the way down to the 2031. So it being that we've already made the new high for the 5th wave, it doesn't have to move higher, and it could move lower. But if it does, this is right around that 2200, depending on when we get there. But this is just a double test of the reverse symmetrical triangle that I've been showing for for quite some time. It's actually up here. This is just a different angle on it. So yeah, right around that 2200, 2204, being from where we are, and the the magnitude of these moves up and down. 20 points is just it's nothing. And from there, the bigger point move is still going to be to the downside. So bearish divergences on the 60-minute chart, bearish pattern, bearish wave count, because this would imply that we have a retracement that's pending. And really, the only thing we need is price to react, and it hasn't yet. Today, being down 2 points that's not really any type of reaction. 15-minute chart, you can see this little burst up here this morning that did give us some bearish divergences on the 15-minute charts. And again, I'm not sure. We have a pretty good idea that this is the 5th wave right here. This was the wave 3 right here, and then we made a wave 4 down. So if we're just going to kind of count things, it could be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your 3. Now we're making a 4, and a wave 5 would bring us someplace up here. That would complete this wave 5, and again, that would be a wave 5 of 5, and what that implies is that the next move is coming all the way down into these levels here, and we still have all these open gaps that are below that. I mean, it's sure they're going to get filled. I just don't know if they're going to get filled on this drop or not, but they're going to get filled, and a lot of people that are buying up here, unless they're going to be quick, they're going to end up being the ones that capitulate. But right now, like I said, price has not really reacted to any of these bearish red flags that are out there. Will it? I believe it will. When it, like I said, it could happen as soon as tomorrow, and it would make sense, or they may try to hold things up until next week. It's really tough to say, but the market is really exhausted right now, and there's a lot of uncertainty coming down the road with these elections. So again, I just don't know how much real money is going to be poured into the market. Maybe the central banks continue to do the buying, who knows. But in any case, right now I'm still anticipating that we have a larger drop that's pending. It's just a matter of when it's going to be hitting. So with that, have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.